Hi, it's Kassy, artist in residence with Imagine. Today we're going to make these two fun quick cards. Look at all the beautiful color there. We're going to be using lots of VersaFine Clair and some Radiant Neon in electric coral. So I decided to do two cards because I was tasked with using this electric coral this month, and this gorgeous color makes me feel like spring and warmth and summer, and I can't wait for all of that. And I was trying to decide what other color I could use to complement it and get some really bold, fun, great results. And so I chose VersaFine Clair in Fantasia. And so look at that first background. Look at how beautiful that color is. Oh my gosh. These projects, I'm telling you now, are just full of color and beauty and gorgeousness, and I'm all about color, so these were really fun and super exciting to make. So now I'm coming in with Fantasia. I'm going to do my second background, and just look at on that clear stamp. I mean, it's so pigmented and beautiful and bold and rich. I can't tell you enough how much I love VersaFine Clair ink. We're always talking about Nocturne. It's the best black, but look at that blue. It's like a bluish purple. I don't know. Here I'm pulling a second print off of it because there was extra ink and I can use that for another project. So I try to use as much ink as I can. One tip to note, if you do want to clean off that ink off of your stamp using a fluid, then definitely use the Stays On cleaner. That works best with VersaFine Clair ink. So now I'm coming in with Verdant, and I'm going to use the same green for the leaves on both of the backgrounds, and I'm kind of going back and forth and working on the same elements of each background at the same time, or one after another, to kind of keep them moving along at the same pace. So, but now with the inside of the flowers, I'm using the coral on the blue background or Fantasia, and then I'm using the Fantasia color on the coral background. And I just really adore the way that these colors play off of each other, and just I don't know. I got really excited when I was making these because these colors are so fantastic. So now, one thing I did do a little different for these little flower buds on the coral background, I used Warm Breeze because I thought that would look really nice. And then on the Fantasia background, I used Cheerful in VersaFine Clair. And look at that yellow against the blue. I mean, come on. Okay, I have to tell you another really exciting thing. So Imagine has come out with a new product. Well, sort of. We have Sheer Shimmer Spray. Now we have it in stick form with a sponge dauber top. It's called Sheer Shimmer Stick, and this is what I'm using here today in Sparkle. I believe it comes out in March, and you'll be able to get it in 5 different colors, and it's a lot more precise. You can decide where to put that sheer shimmer instead of just having to spray it, and it's just really fun to use, and I know that you're going to enjoy it. So I wanted the sentiments. I'm just doing a little thank you here. Thank you is quite universal, and I feel like I always need them, which is a nice thing. And so I definitely wanted to have thank you cards here, but I wanted it to be nice and simple and just sleek and sort of streamlined because the backgrounds are so bold and so full of detail and color and gorgeous, right? And so I just stamped it onto vellum and embossed it with clear embossing powder, and then put it over a piece of really, really gorgeous glitter paper. It's silver glitter paper. And so that's all I did. And then I stuck it to the base with Tear tape. I did the same thing with the coral card. So there, up close, look at the blue. The Fantasia, you can see that shimmer. You can't really tell how shimmery it is on video, but you get the idea. So these cards are gorgeous. I love the color. I love the way they played against each other, and they were super fun to make. I hope that you enjoyed them as well. For more inspiration, please visit imaginecrafts.com. Thank you so much.